We are not going to make a unique, but absolutely a unique midi ring today that is going to be put between the phalanxes. And what we need: a wire of 18 and 24 gauge, main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter, and also some crystal beads, a ring mandrel, and a paper tape. And we start by picking up the 18 gauge wire and also the ring mandrel and the paper tape that is going to be used to determine the lengths that we desire at each area of our finger. We are going to make two rings, one a midi ring and the other is a regular ring. We wrap this paper tape all around the area that we want to make the ring for and then put it on the ring mandrel and mark it. For example, if I need to have a ring at this area, I do the same and mark it. Okay, now I have 3 lines and I'm going to make one ring at one of them. First, with a round nose pliers, we should make a P-shaped loop, just like this, with the round nose pliers, and then put it on the line desired, and wrap the wire all around for 1 round. After 1 round is completed, just leave a space to make another P-shaped loop and cut it out. Again, like the first loop, make another one at the other side with the round nose pliers. So this is the time to make the other loop and make the first midi ring. After making this midi ring, just try it out and put it on the area that you had determined. But before, insert it again onto the ring mandrel and push it with the plastic part of your tool to be fixed. This is a little big, so I need to fix it out by squeezing it while I rotate it simultaneously. So let's check it out again, and it's all good for my intended area, and I need to make the second one. And as you could see, I had decided to make one midi ring at the middle area of my finger and one regular ring, and to attach these two with beads. But you could do that in any part that you desire. So I need to make some connections for the beads, and first I need to know the length and the distance that I need to continue making the connections for these beads. So I mark it out and determine the distance, and this is the time to make the first connection for the first bead. Pick up the 24 gauge wire, insert the bead in, and here I need to make 2 closed loops. So with round nose pliers at one side, make a loop. And this is the time to wrap the wire tail all around for 1 or 2 times, and I do the same at the other side. So I make another loop and rotate and wrap the wire 2 times. Then I cut it out with the flush cutter. For the second one, it's a little different. When I make the first loop with round nose pliers and on the 24 gauge wire, before I close this loop, insert the first connected part. So this is the time to wrap this wire and make a tie. So this is how these beads are connected to each other. And don't forget to squeeze the ending point so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges left. And of course, we do that with the chain nose pliers. I leave a space for the bead and another one for the other closed loop at the other side, and then cut it out. Now I insert the bead in, and here is the place I need to make another closed loop and repeat it for 3 beads. The Midi ring and the ring is not connected yet to each other, so I need to open one of the loops on the Midi ring and one on the ring. The bottom one at the Midi ring and the upper one at the ring, I open it just as I open a jump ring and close it as I close a jump ring. And these are connected to each other. And now let's test it out to see what's the result. I insert the first and the second one finally, and let's fix it out and determine the exact place for the Midi ring and the ring wherever you feel comfortable. Now this is ready, our very beautiful wire ring, and you could use it, I think, in special occasions. Hope you make one and enjoy it so much, and don't hesitate to be different. And by the way, while you are choosing the best place, you should consider the natural movement of your phalanx and fingers to bend it and open it in a comfortable way.